Hello everyone, this is Abhinav from Namaste Fragrance and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about a beautiful summer cheapie for all the ladies out there. This is Skin Pristine from the designer house of Titan. Titan is an Indian designer watch brand which is part of the Tata Group, and since its launch in 1984 they have diversified into many other markets such as jewelry, eyewear and other fashion accessories. Titan entered the Indian fragrance market in 2013 under the brand name Skin, and they have collaborated with many world-renowned master perfumers such as Alberto Morillas and Oliver Pesce. Sorry if I'm taking their names wrong. So today we are going to look at Pristine, and the perfumers behind this fragrance are Olivier Pesce and Nideke Garlanteze. I'm sure I'm butchering their names, please forgive me once again. So these are the perfumers behind some amazing fragrances such as 1 Million by Paco Rabanne, Rouge by Narciso Rodriguez, 1881 Signature, Montblanc Explorer, to name a few. So this should be exciting. So without wasting any time, let's just get right into this fragrance. So let's start with the presentation. This is the box. It's a very simple cardboard box with the name of the brand over here, Skin by Titan, the name of the fragrance Pristine, the concentration is EDP, and this is a 50 ml bottle. The batch code and the price is here in the bottom, and there's again the brand name on the top, Skin by Titan over there. Let's look at the bottle. So this is the bottle. It's a nice frosted glass bottle, very minimalistic, and some fancy cap which is plastic. Personally, I'm not happy with the bottle design. They could have done a much better job with the design, but what can you do? So let's look at the sprayer. So the sprayer is not bad. It's okay. It's average. It's nothing exceptional. As for the notes in the fragrance, it has mandarin, lemon, green notes and cardamom in the top. The mid comprises of geranium, marine notes and clove, and the base it has patchouli, guaiac, cedarwood and musk. So when you first spray this fragrance, this is going to open up with a lot of citrus and green notes. It's almost as if it's punching you in the face with that citrus and the green notes. But as the fragrance settles down, geranium comes in the forefront, combining with those marine notes in the fragrance, which gives the fragrance a very floral, lemony, airy vibe. It smells, when I first smelled this, it reminded me of a mojito, like a very juicy mojito. It's clean, it's green, it's refreshing, little bit aquatic and very airy fragrance. So in the dry down, the fragrance becomes very woody and musky with faint hints of sweetness. I really personally enjoy the dry down of this fragrance. So the performance of this fragrance is quite adequate. On skin, this will last you for about 5 to 6 hours, and the surprising part over here is the projection. Okay, the projection is very good for a summer fragrance. This will project to about 6 to 7 feet, which will slowly diminish after 20 to 25 minutes, and after an hour or so this mostly stays very close to the skin. It doesn't become a skin scent, but yeah, it's close to the skin. But it's a whole other story when you spray this on your clothes. The longevity of this fragrance jumps from 5 to 6 hours directly to 8 to 10 hours or maybe even more. Well, for a fragrance that costs so less, that's very impressive. In terms of versatility, you can wear this fragrance all year round, but this makes for a very good summer daytime fragrance. Because the fragrance is so inoffensive, it's clean, it's refreshing, you can wear it to office too. Well, in my personal opinion, I think the creative brief for this fragrance would have been something like this. We want a clean, fresh summer fragrance with a twist. Make sure it has good performance and is a compliment magnet. We want to target girls who are classy, who are adventurous and who like to travel, and we want all of this, but the fragrance should be priced reasonably. Well, if that was a creative brief, I think they nailed it. This is a good fragrance with good performance, a potential compliment magnet. It's very clean, very mass appealing, and it is reasonably priced. I think this is a nice alternative and a good change up from fragrances which are more expensive and kind of dated now, like Light Blue by Dolce & Gabbana and David of Cool Waters. I know I mentioned it being a cheapie, so a 50 ml bottle like this one in the EDP concentration will cost you around 1500 rupees INR, but with the current discounts going on, this will cost you around 1200 rupees, that is around $15 US. And if you like a fragrance which is clean, refreshing, green, smells like a mojito, then I think you should not overlook this one. I'll put the link down in the description if you would like to check this one out. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did enjoy the video, a sub would be highly appreciated. Please don't forget to follow us on Instagram. I'll put the links in the description. And before I forget, wish you all a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Till then guys, stay safe. Smell you later. Namaste.